Everyone, welcome back to my channel RMB EduTech. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলো ভালে আছে আৰু আজি এই ভিডিওটোত আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো এটা ভ্যাকেন্সিৰ ওপৰত আৰু ভ্যাকেন্সিটো ওলাইছে আসাম পেট্ৰোকেমিকেলছ লিমিটেড আৰু আসাম পেট্ৰোকেমিকেলছ লিমিটেড নামৰূপত অৱস্থিত ষ্টেট পিএছইউ হয় কি ওলাইছে ভ্যাকেন্সি গুটেখিনি এবাৰ ডিটেইলছ চাই লওঁ আহক ডেপুটি মেনেজাৰ ওলাইছে প্ৰডাকশন E3 লেভেলত ওলাইছে গ্ৰেড পে 14500 পেমেন্ট দিছে 30000 to 1,10,000 Essential qualification BE BTech in mechanical chemical engineering or equivalent. Essential experience is 6 years of post qualification experience. Aro thakiba lagibo plant operation ba project execution. Aro out of which 2 years should be in next lower level manager role in large or medium scale PSU, private industry, or preferably in petrochemical, chemical, oil refinery sector. Taloke mane preference to pabo. Age not exceeding 40 years. Our number of posts okol eta ase here likhe dise preference will be given to candidates who acquired experience in operation and maintenance of raw water treatment plant RODM CPO ETP STP ZLD units in petrochemical or chemical sector. Next olaise assistant manager production at E2 level ot olaise grade pay ase 13900 payment ase 30000 to 1,10,000 BE BTech in mechanical chemical engineering or equivalent minimum 3 years of post qualification dise ar baki criteria kene tamloke ekhe rakhise 2 years should be in next lower level manager role aro baki PSU private industry preference ekhe rakhise aro age limit dise not exceeding 35 years duta post ase post ya duta ase aro deputy ase eta to baki kin dise other eligibility criteria general information instruction gutekin dise all qualification motore apnaloke metric opra gutekini apnaloke di dibo cut off date to dise 1st August 2024 aru age relaxation as per government jito criteria hetu hisabe age relaxation pabo aru how to apply tamloke di dise website or go apnaloke kene ko apply koribo lagibo gutekin di dise aru ekhon dise yat the candidate shall have to deposit 250 plus bank charges if any for general or category or 150 plus bank charges if any for SC, ST, OBC through SBI Collect online payment. Apnaloke FPL or site or gola dekhibo SBI collector form online application gutekini ase. Aru eta important point ya dise candidate must provide SBI Collect reference number in order to complete the application process. Ekini asle important point. To atia ami sai jao je last date ketia online application hoise 28 August or pra our last date of submission was midnight of 6th September 2024. Ji okol eligible candidate tamloke apply kori dibo ar jodi video to informative boli bhabise tetale eta like kori dibo video to share koribo napahoribo ar logote mor channel to subscribe koribo napahoribo. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.